Range, the new book by the Washington Post journalist Bob Woodward went on sale Tuesday. The coverage of Range has focused on Trump willfully downplaying the seriousness of the COVID-19 during the early stages of the pandemic. "This is deadly stuff," Trump was quoted in the book as saying on the phone with Bob Woodward as early as February 7th about the coronavirus, describing the virus more deadly than even your strenuous flu. However, on February 27th, Trump said at a White House meeting that the virus is going to disappear. It's like a miracle. He repeated similar expressions publicly 33 times from the start of the outbreak to mid-August, according to the Washington Post. Woodward's book also showed that Trump admitted to downplaying the seriousness of the situation and vowed to continue doing so in order not to create national panic. It is also worth noting that Woodward faces criticism for failing to release Trump's remarks right after he finished the altogether 18 interviews with Trump in March. Bob Woodward is an associated editor of the Washington Post, where he has worked since 1971. He has shared in 2 Pulitzer Prizes, first in 1973 for the coverage of the Watergate scandal, and second in 2003 as the lead reporter for coverage of 9/11 terrorist attacks. He has authored or co-authored 18 books, all of which have been national nonfiction bestsellers.